Hi, and welcome to Buried AI Profits. My name is Demetrius, and I'm going to be your coach and mentor in this training. A new income source is unlocked. Since November, actually, I started this campaign where I wanted to dig into the domain, uh, buying expired domains, other people leaving domains out, uh, forgetting to reconnect, to repay, and me finding them and purchasing them and knowing that there is built-in backlinks, there's traffic going on in them, but there's a certain way of how I filtered out the results from expired domains, for example, where I find these domains. And then the idea was I was going to sell that domain. I wasn't going to do much with it. But then I thought, wait a minute, AI is pretty big now. And I was thinking, well, what if I could find domains that were alive? They had traffic at one point in time. They've been around for a few years. They had good trust in the website. However, for some odd reason, somebody just decided to drop it, leave it, and then here I come. I find that domain and I purchase it for like $11. And then I went out onto like Cedo and I posted it on Cedo where I was able to make a sale. It took a few weeks, but I, I made a sale. And that first sale was like what triggered me to look into this a little bit more. And I went a little bit crazy. And I started buying domains and domains and domains and domains and domains and domains. Okay. So I've been buying all these domains, not because there's a reason behind it. When I bought these domains that I found, I saw that there were a lot of unique clicks coming to them. Like right now, you can see these are some of the domains that I have that I've got listed. I've got them parked. And while they're parked, I'm making some small money. It's not big. Yeah, it's not something huge, okay? But it's making me some kind of money on the passive, all right? I'll show you what I mean. Now, parked domains means that you're going to be able to come in and park your domains, okay? So if I go to my parking reports, you're going to see that I'm making money from people visiting these park domains, but I'm also getting some information here. I'm getting information on traffic that's coming to this. So for example, the last 31 days, uh, a lot of my domains were getting, oh, here we go, last 31 days. You can see that some of these domains are actually getting me. These are money that I'm just making on passive. It's not a lot again. It depends on the traffic, or what's happening. But I'm seeing that, okay, I can make money from the park domains. I can see the 39% is good that it's from the United States. Then I'm getting some weird countries like China, Germany's fine, South Korea, France, Vietnam, so each domain has its own little stats, but I can see them all on Cedo, and it's free to buy a domain, put it on Cedo, and then have it there and make money by selling. Okay, because there's a whole buyer section where people are buying these domains, but at the same time, look at all these clicks that I generated. I made 53 cents, okay, for the last 3 months from these domains that I purchased. And that's only if I have it parked, and that's nothing. So I wanted to build on it. And I made a sale. And then I made another. And I made another. Okay, so each one has different pricing that I have. But some of them I took them off the parked domains and I built content and I've got them online. I'm not going to show you what which websites are bringing me money, and the reason why is because finding these is like finding gold. You got to go find your gold, but you're going to follow my steps on how you're going to find that gold. And I'm protecting my business this time. This isn't ClickBank. This is different because we're making money with, for example, Impact. Okay, it's another affiliate program. all right, where you can make money from doing this, okay, by promoting affiliate offers. And it's outside the realm of ClickBank and everything like that. So that's one. Another one is CPA affiliate marketing, that you can build pages from that traffic that's going there. That's number two. You can I'm in the process, because I've started this 3 months ago. Taking It takes time to get set up with Google AdSense, but I've got some sites that I'm setting up right now with Google AdSense. I'm showing you some of the result from some of the blogs that I have, that I've just built, and I built them all with one click of a button, kind of thing. Okay, so all these is easy to build. Okay, it's easy to find. It's really it's up to you on what journey you want to take, what path. But there's 5 different methods of making money online with this, from the free traffic you're getting. And then the last ending boss thing is, like, once you've built that traffic, once you've set everything up, then you can come over into like Flipper. Okay, okay, and you can actually sell this actual website that you've built. For example, I'm in the process of testing out the site that I just that I just created. Now, the site that I created didn't take me more than 5 minutes to create. Okay, I'm using a platform. I'm going to show you how we're going to be doing this. But the thing is, building these is so fun, and it's so affordable. I suggest you look into this, like, in like a serious business, because this is like being a realtor, and doing realtor stuff. Okay, like buying properties and renting properties and all that. But instead of properties offline, you're doing this online. It's the exact same thing. And people are buying and selling websites. They're selling domains on a daily basis, and there's huge proof about that. Domains are being sold daily. I mean, you can only see from if you come when you create your account on Cedo, you're gonna have all this information in front of you, so you can see exactly what's happening. And if you go to, for example, Name Bio, you can come here and see the different domains that were sold this just in 2026, okay? And you can see that the domain business is huge if you're finding a domain that will work for you. And we're talking about in the thousands, okay? In the thousands. I haven't gotten there yet, okay? Not haven't found that gold, but it's there. Now, these domains, some of these domains that are being put online are had content before, and now with AI you can rebuild that content, and then you can add your content, and then you can promote an affiliate offer or Amazon products or anything that you can think of now with the power of AI, because it can just build around it and fill it up. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to build any type of website. For example, this is one of my top websites that I've created that I'm still building on. And I've been able to build this so I can actually promote, for example, Amazon products. And then I have ClickBank products, for example. Okay, I'm collecting leads from this. And then I have all these different types of recipes that I just created of using AI. All right. And then in there, I've also got links that takes you over to the affiliate products that I have. I haven't made sales yet because this is brand new and I just started it, and I'm building the traffic to it. As we're building this, I'm cleaning up the domain, because before there was spammy links, backlinks that were on there that I didn't realize, but I'm cleaning up. And then from here, I'm building again. It's all created with just one click of a button in the platform I'm going to share with you. So I'm just building some excitement so you can believe in the system and not just buy into it and just leave it. This requires a little bit of time to nourish and build, but the end result will be a lot. Like you bought a property, you're building content on there, so you're building a house, and then when you're ready, you can sell that house. You can make money from that house if you put some time and effort in it, but at the same time, you can make that passive income from ads that you can set up on there, affiliate products that you can possibly get, a list, build a list. But again, the traffic that's coming in is not clean traffic yet. The traffic is there. It's you finding that domain that is clean, that is ready. Now, the only problem is with expired domains is that when you're finding a domain, all the ones that are deleted are not in the best condition yet, but there is big opportunity to sell on Flipper, or the domain that you buy has meaning so you can sell it. Okay. So it's if you were gonna go and look into expireddomains.net, the good ones, if you were gonna appraise a domain, are the ones that are already taken and you have to give an offer. Some of these offers could be $20, 50, 100. It's about you going and bidding, but that's up to you and it's optional. I was able to do this with just getting domains that cost me $12 or even less. So the system works. It's not based on theory, but it requires you to not do a lot of work, just to be on it and trying and expanding it, or different, like I did this in different types of sections, but I'm building content on this. I've added more content since the time I created it. So these can be found on Google, and I can be start because I'm starting to see some really good stats on this in terms of traffic, that I'm growing the traffic. I'm being found on Google, and that's the most important thing, that I'm being indexed and I'm being found. And there is back history to this, but I again generated it really quickly, really easily using the platform I'm going to show you. And it's all hosted in one place. So you don't need to go run into this place or that place. Now, this is the greatest thing about this, is that you can do a lot more than just building websites, because on Flipper, you can also sell apps, and you can create apps on this as well. No, this is not Claude. And I can't wait to reveal it to you. But I just wanted to show you a little beginning of what the steps are, what you're going to do, what the journey is. It's fun. It's really fun in finding that domain. But now we have the power of different free tools that you can find online. And I'm going to show you that we can follow a very simple formula. Okay. One formula is to start off with really good traffic, to cleaning it up and everything, is building a Pinterest account as well. It's free. So having Pinterest as well with the niches that we're going into is really good, because in Pinterest, there's also something that's called Pinterest trends. So in here, you're going to be able to see what's hot in the markets and what's easy for you to come actually and start building. For example, hot pot ideas is something that I was like, okay, let me go out and create hot pot Korean recipes. Do you see what I'm saying? And then I can come in easily. And this is all because I created it on the platform to create me, so I can have social to things, and then save it. And then I'll push it a little bit more with the trends. Okay. It's being pushed now into the trends of what's happening with Pinterest, which is great. That's more traffic. This traffic is going to help me get more traffic on Google as well. Okay. This and the fact that we're not talking about make money online on Pinterest. We're talking about different types of niches outside of things that you can actually build. Like the next one would be pool and spa accessories. So in our training, I'm going to show you how we're going to go out, find a domain that will match, for example, the next trending topic that's happening. Okay, so we can start getting that traffic easily, to start cleaning the domain that we're going to be finding, and building a site about pool and spa accessories. And then maybe going into Amazon and becoming an associate there, or finding other offers outside of Amazon and different platforms, or using just content to drive traffic to Google AdSense that you might have, that you can build on different other platforms as well, that pay you for the traffic that you're getting, because this is going to have traffic no matter what. Okay, from the backlinks and everything like that. So it's going to be a great training for you to go out and learn how to build your own assets online, where you can sell for 10x once you've built them, or you can make money while you're making that, or you can just sell the domain that you bought, so you can make some early good money in making sales by selling domains. I'm not selling all my domains, and I have more domains that I'm using, and I'm also using GoDaddy as well, and I'm all over the place with the domains. You saw the list of domains that I have. Okay, and these are all mine, and I'm running them, and some of them I took them off, and some of them I'm adding and I'm buying, and it's an amazing opportunity for everybody to start making some passive income, like from all these different places. Now, the only place that I haven't had any results yet to show you are just my ads that I'm about to get them started, because I had a big back when I first started with my main official website, I got banned from Google AdSense. So some after many years, I got on now, and I'm just hoping they're not going to ban me again or connect that the fact that it was me, because I made some silly mistakes when I was starting off, and I guess I got in trouble, and my YouTube channel went down with it as well. So right now I'm hoping that everything is going well up until now. All have been approved. They're just getting ready so they can be shown. And sometimes it takes 2 to 4 weeks. You'll see all that. But I'm going to show you the whole step-by-step process. But I just wanted to give you some motivation here, that the fact is that this works. Okay, so I want you to take this serious. This is a great journey for you to get on and build something from it. I'm excited about this because it's something I wanted to always do, but I put the time in November to begin it. It took some time to see to understand what's happening, basically. So now I know what I need to do, how to connect everything, how to get that traffic, how to clean the traffic, how to rebuild things really easily. And I can't wait to show you. Okay. And we're going to start off our training by going out and finding that trend and finding that domain and building on that really easily. Again, it's going to be exciting. Can't wait to show you. Talk to you in the next video, and talk to you in the next video.